How to add animation in Canva presentation. So hi guys, first things first, we need to open up our browser. Once opened, go to canva.com, sign into your account, which I've already done a while ago. Actually, if you don't have an account, don't you worry because you could sign up for free, but we also have another option. If you want to use more of their templates, their designs, then simply log into Canva Pro or subscribe to Canva Pro. They have a 30-day trial. However, for Canva Pro, you would be paying for a monthly or a yearly subscription, basically. All right. Now, so here we have our Canva dashboard, and you will see like different options here, like the For You page, wherein you can see like different projects or recent projects of yours that you've done. Next one is the document. It's like Microsoft Word, basically. Next is the whiteboard. The whiteboard is like a mind mapping presentation. All right. So you can choose different templates in here. Next is the presentation. So this is where you can like check templates for your presentation. Next is your social media. This is used to curate or like make your social media posts better. Okay. Next is the videos. So you could also actually edit videos here in Canva. All right. So especially if you're like making a vlog or whatnot. So yeah. Next is the print product. So if you do have an online business or if you want to make an invitation or infographic, you could also use this one. Right. And lastly is the website. So for your website, you could make designs for the background of your website. All right. In the more section, here you can check for infographic, photo collage, desktop, wallpaper, and the likes. Okay, so let's start. First, let's go to the For You section. I'll just make use one of the recent designs that I've had. Here, let's click on this one. So we do have the Canva presentation here. All right. So this presentation is like welcome to Canva, how to add animation in Canva. All right. So if we do want to add a presentation to our second page, all we need to do is to go to the elements section here. Okay. And let's look for a Canva graphic since our topic is about Canva. So Canva logo. Right. For more options, you could also click on graphics, and there you will see Canva options. Okay. All right. So if you see this small crown button, it means that you're not allowed. If you're a free user, you can't use this one. But if you're a pro user, then you could, of course, make use of that one. All right. So let's click on this one. Let's resize it and put it here in our lower left-hand corner of the page. All right. Next, let's add another one here. Oh, let's not use this one. Let's make use of this. All right, there. And let's put this in the center. Okay, there you have it. So there we have two animated links. So again, just click on elements and search for your desired element or photo. Okay, now here, since this is not a graphic or this is not a moving page, let's simply say share this one out here in the section, especially if you want to make a PowerPoint presentation or WPS presentation. What I have in mind is WPS. So let's click on share here. And then below, we can see options. Click on more, scroll down a bit and look for save. Now in the save section, we can see here Microsoft PowerPoint, right? And let's unselect pages 2 and 3. Okay, now let's click on done and download. Right, so we have Canva Press ready here. Let's take a look on this one. Okay, so we're not yet done. How do we save the other photos? So simply click on share. Now hit on download and then go to GIF here. So let's unselect pages 1, 4, and 5 and click on done and download. Now let's just wait for it to be downloaded. It may take some time since it's a moving design. All right. All right. So here you have it. Again, guys, if you want to look for graphic images, you can just click on this side and click on search. There are actually a lot of designs here for our templates that you can choose from as well. So there. Okay, let's just wait for our saved Canva project. If you do have any questions, you can actually ask that out. All right, here we have our Canva Press GIF. Now let's go back to our WPS. In this section, simply click on Insert here and click on Picture. Now for the picture, let's go and search for our saved GIF. So here. As you can see, it's not yet moving. All right. But once we click on this one, you will see that we can see our graphic image. So that's about it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed and thank you so much for